Kongsuni, I've got this. Promise. Go on. Hey, what?
Is it stuck? Let me try.
Thanks. I guess fake swords can be tricky. And now, back to the dragon. This is for you, Kongsuni.
Oh boy, you're clumsy.
What you gonna do, right?
Kongsuni, what's up? Didn't you hear me calling? What are you up to in here? Anyway, I've been thinking about how you need some new dresses.
It's okay. I don't need fancy costumes. 'Cause Sao, never mind.
Gee, that's a shame. So you don't want to see what I got you then?
Sure I do. What is it?
Ta-da!
Ah,
It's gonna look perfect on you.
thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, although you look perfect anyway.
Mommy? You can take it back. I don't need it.
Why?
'Cause I have an idea that's way more exciting.
I can't keep up with you from one minute to the next. What?
You have to guess, Mom. First hint, it's something way better than playing castle.
Wait, you mean... Nope, no idea.
Watch, I'll show you. Muscles like steel. Almost nothing can stop her. Introducing the one and only Super Kongsuni.
Oh, you have special powers?
I can knock down dragons. Kapow!
Oh.
Shh. Don't tell anyone. You know what? I'm so strong I can take down a dragon.
You can?
Ha! It's Super Kongsuni coming to the rescue, helping little baby sisters all over the planet. I'll save you!
Hold on, I'll get her.
Wow! Super Kongsuni sure has lots of energy!
What are you doing? No standing on furniture. Not even if you're a superhero.
But Mom, Super Me has super clean feet. I've got this totally under control. Trust me.
All right, just promise that you'll only use your powers for good. Oh,
Huh?
shh.
Mommy, how come Daddy's still not home?
Because a sick doggy needs his help.
Huh?
He'll come tuck you in when he's all done, okay?
No, I want to stay up instead. Please?
You've already had a long day, right?
Huh?
You fought dragons, and you were a Supergirl.
Aw. How come I never get to wait up for him?
Aw, big girls need sleep. Supergirl, sleep tight. Supergirl, night, night. Oh,
Huh?
shh.
Mommy, how come Daddy's still not home?
Because a sick puppy needs his help.
Huh?
He'll kiss you goodnight when he gets home later.
No, I want to stay up instead. Please?
You've already had a long day, right?
Huh?
Trying on dresses and having adventures?
Oh, I wish there was a way I didn't have to go to bed.
Aw, tomorrow's a new day. Supergirl, sleep tight. Supergirl, night, night. She's a superhero now, haven't you heard?
Love you, sweetie. Be a good girl.
Lunch.
Thanks, hon. It's gonna be super busy at the clinic.
Wish I could help more. Go, dog doctor. Hope it's a good day.
Thanks. I'll do my best.
Bye.
Mom, I'm up.
Morning, sleepyhead. Hope you're hungry.
I'm starving.
You ready? Come and eat, sweetie.
Mommy, is Daddy in the shower?
No. He left already. The clinic's so busy, he had to go to work early.
No fair! I wanted to play a game with him. Daddy shouldn't work ever!
If he didn't work, then who would save the pets? They depend on him, but you're still his special girl.
Dad likes the sick animals more than he likes me.
Of course that's not true. Come on, let's eat up. Then we can go to the park.
Round and round, all over town. Nobody's faster when my bike is around. Round, round, all over town. Nobody's faster when my bike is around.
Yes, hello. Hi, how are you? No way, seriously? Oh, good one. Oh, not bad. Busy with the kids, you know.
Huh? Oh, it's so sparkly. Is that new? Didn't you have a different bike before?
What? No. My daddy just fixed the old one up. I like your bike, too. It looks kind of dirty, though. Did you ride it in the mud? Wait. Oh, yeah. You and your dad went biking through the forest. That's why it's dirty. I remember now.
You're right. You know, my dad's really busy saving puppies lately. They love him, but we'll go again soon. Maybe you can come next time.
Okay. That sounds like fun. Gotta go. See you later.
Coming through! Huh? Look at me! A rocket!
Your training wheels are off? But how did you?
It's easy. My dad taught me. Vroom, vroom. Get your dad to show you.
Dear puppies, can I please have my dad back?
Look at me.
Huh?
Watch out. Coming through.
Your bike's fast. Hey, you think? Could you teach me how to ride a bike like that?
Sorry, I can't. I've got to go play with my neighbor. See you later.
Everyone's too busy to play with me today. I'm so bored.
Oh, that's perfect. 10 o'clock works just fine. Okay. So, Chloe, looks like someone's got a play date this morning.
She does? Who is it, Mom?
Oh, one of my work friends has a baby the same age.
What about me? I don't want to stay home. I want to have a play date too.
Good, 'cause you and Dad are gonna hang out.
Huh? We are? Just us? Today?
He took the day off, but he's sleeping, so not till he wakes up.
Aw, really? But Mom, I'm bored.
Why not play a game? Something fun, just until Daddy wakes up.
Play a game? Ooh, I already thought of the perfect game. It's called Wake the Dragon. Yay! Thanks, Mommy. Ha-ha!
Yay!
Oh boy, oh boy. Still warm.
Dragon!
She's louder than a fire alarm. Oh.
Dragon, wake up! It's time. Come on. This won't work. Hold on a minute. I know a way that will make him wake up. Fire drill, fire drill, fire drill.
Huh? Where? Who?
What?
Oh dear, oh dear. Where's the fire? Honey,
Where's that?
where am I?
Stop, drop, and roll. Stop,
Kongsuni!
drop, and roll. Oh, man.
Chloe! Honey? Where is everyone? Honey, we have an emergency here. Don't just stand there. Do something.
You must have been dreaming. Eating pickles before bedtime?
Me? Of course not. So you mean there's no reason to panic?
I tricked you, Dad! Surprise!
Tricked me? Why would you do that, Kongsuni?
I got bored waiting for you to wake up.
Ah, you know what? Nothing's boring if you use your imagination.
Oh, yeah. True, you know. That's how I have fun when I'm not with you. Play and pretend, and while I take a lot of naps. And speaking of...
I'm gonna head out now. Honey, check the table. I've made something special for you. Plus, I packed you a nice lunch to take to the playground later. Kongsuni, have fun with Daddy. Don't forget to wash your hands after playing outside.
Huh? Come on! What's taking you so long? I want to go outside and play.
Almost done. Just one more.
Oh, I just thought of something we could play together.
Let's hear it.
Okay. You're a big whale eating fishies.
Oh, great idea.
Another one! You gross, Dad. You dropped it.
Good. The game is on.
Boring. Okay, one more and then we can go. Dad, come on.
Man, I'm so full.
Huh? Ah! Hey, Dad. Need some help squishing down that food? This is so boring. Don't you want to go?
Oh, yeah, sure. Just give me a second. It's the very last inning. Oh,
Yes! It's
no way. Oh, home run! We won! You okay?
Daddy, he always tells me he has no time to play. Seems like I'm always waiting just to spend some time with him. Does he know what it means to me when we play together? We could do anything he wants if he'd find the time. It would mean so much to me if we could play all day. Pretty please, dear Daddy, I have a few ideas for us. We could go play catch in the park or spin on the merry-go-round. We could go out, walk together. We can ride our bikes. Daddy, can you please stop and play with me?
Daddy, how come you like baseball more than me?
That isn't true. Of course I don't. You're my everything, Kongsuni.
Well, then, how come we're not playing?
We're about to. What's up first? A bike ride?
Oh boy, oh.
Yeah, that's the way. Just don't stop pedaling.
Help, it's too hard. I'm scared. If you let go of me, I know I'm gonna fall.
Keep at it. You're the strongest girl I know.
Oh! Daddy, I didn't break you, did I?
No, dear. Not quite. How are you? Nothing hurt?
Nope, just a little wobbly.
Man, what a spill. All right. Ready to go again? Just a sec. Hello? Oh, details? Yeah, sure. Tomorrow.
Daddy, work again?
I'm with my daughter. Let me call you back in 5 minutes. Kongsuni, Daddy has to make a call. You keep practicing. I'll have my eye on you the whole time. I'm right there.
Dad, I can't.
Believe in yourself. I know you can do this. I'm just a step away.
Yeah, okay.
Come on. Who's the bravest girl in the world? If anyone can learn how to do this, it's you, little dragon slayer. You're tough. Show that bike who's boss. I'll be back in 2 minutes, I promise.
Okay, Kongsuni, you can do anything you want to. Be brave.
Let's get started. Your dad's busy on the phone, right? So, why don't we keep practicing? Can't be that hard to figure out.
But remember the time we fell off? I wobbled. What if it happens again? Maybe I'll have to use training wheels for the rest of my life.
Well, tell me what you need, and I'll try to do what I can to help.
My daddy. I just need him to come and help me. But he's always too busy. Helping the sick doggy.
Oh, let me think. There's gotta be something else I could do. Oh, Kongsuni! Listen, I might have an idea.
Really? But you sure that'll work?
Have faith. You're looking at a talking big bird here.
Yeah, I know. I didn't mean I don't believe.
Good. Okay. Stand back then and let the bird do its magic.
Whoa!
Ta-da! Welcome to Seo Airlines. We're ready for takeoff.
Yay! It's perfect. Hop, hop, hop.
Now, if the pilot would kindly take her seat in the cockpit.
Done.
Contact.
Whoa! We can go anywhere with magic.
Anything for you. Now, where should we start our adventure?
Huh?
It's a big world out there, Kongsuni.
Then let's hurry and see it all.
Aye, aye, Captain. Hold on tight. It might get bumpy.
Yeah! Yahoo!
It's always so fun when we go flying. Yahoo! Up in the blue sky, passing the clouds. Higher than high, into the sky. Around and round, the pedals go. Soaring on my flying bike. Yo, Kongsuni! Yo, Seo! We can go anywhere we want. Up and higher and higher. Aren't we glad? Clap your hands. High five, best of friends. Yeah! It's always so fun when we go flying. Yahoo! Up in the sky, among the clouds. Higher than high, into the sky. Around and round, the pedals go. Soaring on my flying bike. Yo, Kongsuni! Yo, Seo! We can go anywhere we want. Far away into the sky. Give a cheer, clap your hands. Flying on the wind.
Kongsuni!
Oh, Daddy! Over here!
Oh, I'm so sorry. You've been so patient. I hope you're not too mad at Daddy for taking that call.
Nah. I'm doing okay. I flew around the world, and that was pretty fun.
Uh-oh. Shh, no details. Or everyone will want to ride.
Right. I'm sure you did. Sounds great. So, kiddo, all that traveling, you must be starving. Are you ready to call it a day? I know I am. That's my girl, and I'm sorry again. I had my eyes on you the whole time, and you were really brave. I'm very proud of you. You tried hard and made it work all by yourself. Good job.
Yeah, well, I'm a pretty good pilot.
Of course you are. Hang on. I'll tell Mom we're gonna be a while.
Oh, hi. You two having fun?
Yeah, for sure. Tons of fun.
Great. You staying longer?
Uh-huh. All right. Talk to you later.
Daddy, can I be a superhero even if I can't ride a bike?
Sure, but listen. How about we give it another try? One more.
Okay, I guess.
Come on. You'll always be my superhero. Let's up your powers.
Ah, superpowers! Yay! Pedal power girl! Hop, hop, hop! Whoa.
Stay calm. I'm right behind you.
Okay, Dad. Dad, help!
It's safe.
Oh. Dad, did I squish you too hard?
No, I'm okay.
I fell down. I can't do it. There go my superpowers.
What? Hey, everybody falls.
Huh?
It's how you get up. That's the key.
But I can't.
Kongsuni. Even I can ride a bike, and I'm the clumsiest guy there is.
You're funny.
So, ready to give it another go? High five for Team Kongsuni.
Yeah! High five! I think I can do this.
Of course you can. Forward.
Daddy, you're still holding the back, right?
I'm right here. You're doing great. Atta girl, pedal power. Fastest girl on the planet.
I did it! I'm flying! Whoa.
Good catch. Nothing can stop you now.
Know what? This is the best bike in the whole entire world.
See?
I'm gonna decorate it later on with sparkles.
She did it. Would you look at that? Who's number one? That's my girl. You go, sweetie.
They grow up so fast.
Mommy, guess what? I learned how to ride my bike.
That's a big deal. We'll have to celebrate. Here, Chloe. We're not done eating.
Oh,
Huh? Daddy, can you take me to ride my bike again? We could go now. I ate all my dinner and there's still time before I go to sleep.
I'm sorry, sunshine, but not tonight. How's tomorrow? I'm so proud of how you did today.
So you promise you'll take me to ride again tomorrow?
Promise. Make sure you get a good rest.
Okay.
Honey,
Huh?
storm's coming. Better take an umbrella.
Thanks, dear. Will do. Huh?
I know. What
Huh?
if you take a video of me riding my bike next time?
That sounds like a great idea.
Down you go. You ate as much as your big sister.
I can still bike ride if it's raining, right, Mom?
Mm-mm.
But what if I wear my rain boots and raincoat?
You need to catch some Z's first. Bye, Supergirls.
Can I please stay up late till Dad gets home, Mom?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Okay, I'm off.
Aw. Come here, sweetie. I have a little gift for learning to ride.
What is it?
Ta-da!
Mom, so pretty.
One for each of my girls. Which do you want, a pink or a blue? Big girls choose first.
This one. No! Mom let me pick first and I chose this.
Kongsuni, she wants it. Let Chloe have the pink one.
It's not fair. How come she always gets everything?
She doesn't. What about the blue one? It would look way better on you. There. Oh, wow! You know, that color suits you perfectly. Here, look.
Huh? Oh, hey, you're right. Aw, I already gave you the one I wanted. You just want this one because it's mine. No, Chloe, it's mine.
Kongsuni, Chloe just wants to be more like you. Why don't you let her borrow it for a little while?
Aw, but Mom.
I know it's hard. You've got to be patient. She's younger than you. There. Better?
Sayo, do you have a baby sister?
Nope, there's just me.
You're lucky. It's way harder than it looks. You always have to be thinking of what's best for them. Know what else? They always want your stuff and they'll cry till they get it.
Chloe's a pretty cool kid. She can do a lot. Let me think.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. She makes funny noises. Once I heard her meow, like a cat. Do you remember?
Huh? That was funny.
And one time she wore my daddy's glasses. That was hilarious. What a fun day. Chloe wrecked my best castle yet, Mom? I didn't even get to show Daddy yet.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry. This was my fault. Sweetie, come on out. Let's have some yogurt. We can come up with a castle rebuilding plan while we have a snack, okay?
It's not so bad, actually. Out with the old, in with the new, right?
But I liked it just how it was. Aw.
It was pretty awesome.
Huh. I know. Help me after snack time?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Mommy! How come I can't find my favorite yogurt?
It's in the living room. I put it on the table for you.
Huh? No! Mommy! I can't find my yogurt anywhere in here.
I took it out for you. It's on the living room table.
Huh? No! One's for me. Mom said so.
Huh? Oh, dear. That's no good. I'll have to get you something else.
There is nothing else. That's the only thing I wanted to have.
Oh.
No fair.
Oh, sweetie. You know she didn't do it on purpose. It's almost bedtime. How about some hot chocolate?
No, thank you. I only wanted yogurt.
Oh.
You sound kind of sad. Why so glum, chum?
Chloe always takes away what I want every time.
Ah, that's hard. What you need is some music. Kongsuni is angry. Kongsuni is so sad. Come on, girl, pick yourself up. Don't let things bring you down. Hey, everybody, put your hands up. Huh? Everybody, put your hands. Huh? Nothing?
Sometimes my little sister Chloe makes me feel so mad. If she was old enough to know, I think she'd feel so bad. She gets everything she wants, but what about me? Sometimes I think it's so unfair, but what can I do? Mommy says that I need to be the big sister. Kongsuni, please help out your baby sister Chloe. That's what an older sister does when a younger sister needs them. Soon I'll understand how to get along better with her.
Looks like a big storm is coming. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a bath.
Mommy! Mommy! Are you there? What was that sound? Oh. Hello? Mommy? Hi, Chloe. Don't worry. It's just the wind outside. Sayo! Can you do something? Sayo! Come with me to see Chloe so I don't have to go alone in the dark. Stay back!
Huh?
Go on! Get out of here!
How am I scary? I'm little and pink.